Revolut has revolutionized the way we handle money globally, but is it really as seamless as it promises? This Revolut review aims to give you clarity on the features, benefits, and more importantly, the issues you might face with the app, card, or credit services. Let's start with what users love: easy money transfers, multi-currency wallets, crypto access, and budgeting tools. Whether it's the standard or the elite Revolut Metal Card review, it promises smooth spending and sleek style. But beneath the surface, here are 5 top problems users commonly report. Account freezing without notice. Many users have faced sudden account locks due to security flags. Delayed customer support, especially for free users. Getting real-time help is often, well, pretty slow. Declined international payments. Some users experience random declines, even when they have enough balance. Hidden fees in currency exchange. Despite the claims, certain rates aren't always transparent. Credit card function limitations. Users report confusion around Revolut's credit features and approval process. Now here are 5 smart, lesser-known tips to avoid these issues. Keep regular small transactions on the account to avoid freezing from inactivity or sudden high-value transactions. Upgrade to premium temporarily during travel or important transactions for faster support and insurance perks. Use the in-app budgeting tool daily. Regular usage actually improves account trust and algorithm behavior. Check MasterCard or Visa network issues on downdetector.com before assuming Revolut is at fault. And create virtual cards for each use case like subscriptions, shopping, or travel. This helps avoid broad account holds during fraud checks. Overall, while Revolut offers powerful features in the world of fintech, being proactive can really save you from common setbacks. Revolut is great if you know how to navigate it smartly.